Alright, in this video I'll show you a little piece which enlists the Perl module which has been installed from cpan. Cpan is a centralized place where all the Perl modules are upstreamly maintained. So, so in your system you could enlist the module you have installed from cpan on the terminal itself. To give you some sort of sense what I have just babbled to you, let me go to my terminal. I believe I've zoomed enough. Okay, so I have a small wrapper which I stole from somewhere. I'll tell you where. If I write Perl modules list and just give it a little second because it's interpreting behind the scene. See, these are the modules which has been installed from cpan, which is, again I'm saying, is the upstream Perl archive where all the modules reside. People put up there so people can use it across the globe. Okay, and it is there for ages. Okay, so this simple thing. Now what is that? um, if I get the file which is producing this output, what you are seeing on the screen. See, look at the bottom of the screen. This is a simple for loop which is querying through Perl doc. It's simply gripping the module and providing the version and their this format. Okay, so this is very handy if you wanted to know in some point that what are the Perl module you have in your system, or you have downloaded and you have forgotten, so you can enlist them like this. A simple one-liner. If you look at the bottom, I simply stole it from the Gentoo wiki, from the Perl page, Perl wiki page. It's supposed to be here. Where? It is written here in the Gentoo wiki page. And this is the cpan comprehensive Perl active archive network. You can search, if you see, you can search git. I'm just arbitrarily choosing a particular module. Okay, just press enter and you see it showing you the modules what is there. Okay, so it's very handy. Now you can go back and you can see there are pages. All the modules will be listed if you click on this particular link. If you need to go to this site cpan.org, this is the centralized place where all the Perl modules resides. Okay, and you can access via like this. If you type cpan, it will put you in a cpan shell. If you write info, if I type this properly, no, there is no command like that. If you type help, you'll get all this help information. You can install module from this prompt. I made a video about it. If you can go back to the channel and find it out, so I'm not going to redo it again. So you can install it, remove it, from this particular prompt, which is directly connected to cpan, this place. Okay, to get the damn module into your system. Okay, so that's about it. So you could You could enlist. Let me try one more time. Simple thing. Uh, it might take a little time because probably it depends on the machine. So I have other works going on in my system. That's why it is taking too much time to parse. So if you are sitting on a beefy machine, it should be lightning fast. It should not take this long time. And by the time, well, it processed. This is the Gentoo wiki. Uh, there is a dedicated Perl page under the troubleshoot section. There is a snippet of code which I have stolen and put it in a script and run it like that. So it might be buried in the wiki. I just stumbled over it, so I thought it might come in handy. So put it inside a script and run it like that. You can visit the Perl wiki page. So like the modules which you have gotten from CPAN will get enlisted like this. Pretty darn simple and useful. Okay, I hope this will be useful for some people who try to figure out what is happening with Perl, what modules they have in the system, all this stuff. All right, thanks for watching.